Hey everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Rena, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Olive Garden style fettuccine alfredo at home. The creaminess from heavy cream and rich flavor of freshly grated Parmesan cheese makes this dish so delightful and mouth-watering. So let's jump in on how to make this recipe, but make sure to hit the like button if you enjoy this recipe video. I have my Instant Pot ready on saute mode. First, I'm going to add about half to 1 teaspoon of butter. Normally, it's 1 tablespoon of butter, but I'm going to go easy on it. And I'll add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Then add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Saute garlic for about 30 seconds or so. Now I'm going to add half cup of water, or you can add vegetable broth. And then add 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of half and half. You can add cream instead of half and half to make it even extra creamy, but I always stick to this ratio. Add little less than 1 teaspoon of salt, or you can add as per your taste. Half teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I am adding half teaspoon of dry parsley, but if you have fresh parsley, please use about 1.5 teaspoon of fresh parsley. I'm also adding 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, but this is totally optional. And let me give it a stir. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this recipe video. Now is the time to add pasta. I'm going to add half pound, that is half box of fettuccine pasta. I'll break these fettuccine pasta into halves, just like this, and then add into the pot. You can even use bow tie pasta if you're making it for kids. Or break fettuccine pasta into even smaller pieces. Alright, I'm going to give it a stir. And I'm going to put the lid on. Then close the air vent. And turn off the saute mode. And put the Instant Pot on manual mode for 5 minutes. Alright, it's done. Let's open the air vent first to release inbuilt pressure and then open the lid. Try to open Instant Pot as soon as it goes off because you don't want pastas to get overcooked. Let's stir a little. And at this point, if you think you need a little more sauce, then you can add half cup of cream or half and half. Now add half cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and give it a stir again. You can even add vegetables like broccoli, asparagus, carrots, mushrooms and all. This is the dish you can make it in less than 30 minutes with less ingredients and would feed at least 2 to 3 people depending on serving size. If you want to check out my Cheesecake Factory style spicy chipotle pasta recipe video, the link is down in the description box. And do let me know in the comment section as well if you liked it or hit the like button. Olive Garden Fettuccine Alfredo is a perfect one-pot meal dinner idea. And when you feel like you don't really want to cook, this is a go-to recipe. Let's grate some fresh Parmesan cheese on top. When I made Fettuccine Alfredo for the first time in Instant Pot, it turned out flawless. And I was sure to share out this recipe with you all. So here it is. Olive Garden style Fettuccine Alfredo is ready. I hope you like the recreation of Olive Garden style Fettuccine Alfredo in Instant Pot and do give it a try. Comment down below if you have any suggestions. You can follow Flamboyant Flavors on Instagram as well, and the link is in the description box. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. And thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video with another recipe.